Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bose SoundLink Mini II speaker and I'm going to show you the every way to charge this speaker. So the first way is to prepare yourself a micro USB cable and then insert this cable straight into your charging port that is located over there. Now we have to just insert our cable into the charging port. Now our speaker is charging. But there is second way. We have to take our charging plate and plug in the same micro USB cable in there. Now we have to place our plate and then place our speaker on it. And now, as you can see, our speaker is charging. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.